Welcome to the Soft Life CEO Wealth Series. I'm Shieke Sharpe, Certified Public Accountant and Certified Fraud Examiner, and also a financial strategist for multi-six-figure and seven-figure women who want peace, not pressure. With almost 2 decades in public accounting, auditing, taxes, and forensic accounting, I realized that success means nothing if it doesn't feel calm. So I created the Soft Life CEO Wealth Program, a space where women can learn to manage money, build systems, and scale with confidence and ease. Each week, we'll explore the 4 pillars of my Soft Life CEO framework: audit, align, adjust, and automate, to help you simplify your finances, protect your profits, and build the kind of wealth that lets you rest. If you're ready to make your money feel softer and your success more sustainable, you're in the right place. So subscribe, like, comment, and share. Hey, beautiful CEO. Welcome back to the Soft Life CEO Wealth Conversations, where we create calm, confident wealth for women who are done with chaos. Today's episode is going to feel personal because we're talking about alignment, and not in the fluffy, trendy way. We're going to talk about how your business structure, your financial systems, and your daily decisions might still reflect the woman you used to be, not the one you've become. This is a conversation for the high-achieving woman who's grown, but whose back end hasn't caught up. If you've ever looked at your business and thought, this doesn't even fit me anymore, this one is for you. So let's be honest. Most of us built our businesses in survival mode. Yes, we do. We said yes to everything. We figured things out on the fly, and we made money through sheer force and will. And that worked until it didn't. Because what happens is this: you grow, you make 6 figures, multiple 6 figures, 7 figures, you hire help, you level up your clients, but your structure, your systems, your entity setup, your money flow is still operating like this crappy version of you. Sorry. The version who was just trying to get by. Now you're sitting here with more income, more responsibility, and more stress. And it's not because you're doing something wrong. It's because your foundation hasn't been upgraded to match your evolution. I want you to think about this question. Where am I still running my business from my old identity? For example, you're an S Corp now, but you're still moving money like a sole proprietor. No separation, no owner space system. You've hit consistent 5-figure months, even 6-figure months, but your taxes still surprise you every year. You're leading a team, but there are no clear SOPs or system, just you holding everything together. You've outgrown certain clients, but you're afraid to restructure your pricing or offers because it feels uncomfortable. That's what misalignment looks like. It's not about being disorganized. It's about being out of sync with who you've become. And it costs you, not just money, but in mental peace. I remember working with a client. She was making multiple 6 figures in her business, but she was exhausted. She told me, I'm making great money, but I feel broke and I'm terrified of tax season. I hear that so many times. When we looked deeper, her structure was still built for her old self. She never changed how she paid herself, how she tracked expenses, or how she planned for taxes. She was working from memory, not mastery. Once we realigned her structure to the woman she had become, SOPs, tax savings plan, payroll system, all of that, her peace came back almost instantly. She went from anxious to anchored. That's the power of alignment. So I want you to sit with this. If your business is making more money, but you feel less in control, that's not failure. That's feedback. It's a sign that you've outgrown your old systems. And the next level of your wealth journey isn't about grinding harder. It's about upgrading your foundation to match your evolution. You don't need to become someone new. You just need to operate from who you already are. If this conversation hit home, if you know you've outgrown the way your business runs, I want you to grab my free Soft Life CEO Starter Kit. It walks you through my 4-part framework: audit, align, adjust, and automate. That way, you can see exactly where you are and what needs to shift before the new year. It's simple, it's powerful, and it will give you clarity fast. The link is in the description. Download it today and start stepping into the structure, the peace, and power that match the woman you've become. You don't need more hustle, you need harmony. And that's what we create here every week. See you in the next episode.